Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hotel room tour of our beautiful junior suite with oceanfront view at the wonderful Barcelo Riviera Maya adults only all-inclusive resort. So if you are interested in today's video, keep watching. This is the front of this absolutely gorgeous hotel. So upon your arrival, this is what you see. It is important for me to note that this is one of 5 hotels located on this resort property. So with your stay at this hotel, you actually gain access to the other 4 hotels as well, which is really nice because it provides a variety of entertainment and meal options. This is the beautiful lobby. We were actually given a delicious welcome drink once we checked in, which was really nice. After check-in, you are personally escorted to your room by one of the concierge where they show you how to badge in and out of the room with the wristband they provided. Upon entry to the room, you immediately notice the neutral tones and the very monochromatic aesthetic, which is really pleasing to the eye. I appreciated it. Here is just the closet. It is very well lit. There is a ton of space in the closet with hangers, so that was really nice. And the sliding door was pretty easy to push. This is the other side of the closet. As you can see, there were 2 robes. They were pretty thin, but they were soft. I was a bit disappointed there were no slippers, can't lie. Here, I wanted to make sure I point out in the top left corner, there is a steamer, which is very, very important because you need that when you are dining at some of the restaurants. Because beach attire is not appropriate, you have to dress for dinner. So I thought it was a really nice touch that the steamer was included. Here is a full-length mirror that you can use to check yourself out. It was huge, so it's very nice, and it is attached to a sliding door that is on the bathroom. You can see the double sinks here, a really well-lit mirror, as well as a smaller mirror for makeup. We were well stocked with towels, which they will also switch out for you every day, so it's no big deal. The toilet area was separate, and it included a door, which was really well lit and very, very clean. I wanted to take some time here to draw special attention to this kit. It contained hand sanitizer, a shaving kit, a sewing kit, and a comb instead of just the regular soap, which I thought was a really nice touch. Here I'm panning over to the shower. It was huge. It did not have a door on it. However, the water didn't get out. It had this beautiful rain shower. The soap dispensers were on the wall, and then there was also a separate hook that you could take off for showering as well. It was awesome. This room is very spacious. If you look at the countertop or seating area, I'm not really sure what this is, up under where our luggage is, you will see that there are 2 really big drawers, which are nice for more storage space. Just in case you're here for an extended period of time, you can kind of stretch out or hide your items in the event housekeeping comes in while you're there. This bed is huge. It's very comfortable. My husband and I think that it is bigger than a king-size bed, maybe California king, but it just adds to the luxury of this room during your vacation. A beautiful mirror that adds to the aesthetic of the room, and then plenty of space to sit. Hopefully you are not working, but if you need to work, there's plenty of counter space to do so. This little couch was cute. I'm not sure if it's a let out or not, but I can tell you that it was not very comfortable while I was sitting on it, just going to be honest. Before we go outside to that absolutely beautiful view, I want to make sure that I show you the coffee bar, which you can see here. It's all of the basics: coffee pot, 2 mugs. There is an extra water located up there. Your glasses and your ice bucket is down here. And then on the right side, your fully stocked refrigerator, which I struggled to get open, is down there as well. There are a couple beers, juice, soda, water, and housekeeping will come and restock that daily for you without asking, which is really nice. So now on to what everybody has been waiting for, this gorgeous view as I struggle to get out the door. But first, to the left, you can see that there is a table and chairs that you can use to dine or enjoy the weather out there. There is a jacuzzi tub that Michael and I could both fit in, and a rack to the right of that you can hang swimsuits or towels on. They have this really cute privacy kind of screen there. It's not really private, but it's cute for the aesthetic. Here is your gorgeous view. You are able to see the water as well as the pools and some of the swim up bars down there. And if you notice, 90% of the rooms have the exact same view, which is absolutely beautiful. So it's worth it to get the oceanfront room. Before I end the room tour, I wanted to make sure that you guys could see this beautiful beach that you have access to when staying at the resort. It is man-made. The sand is trucked in, so it's a little hard, but it doesn't take away from this view. It's absolutely stunning. We were out there in the morning, so we didn't have a lot of interruptions. So if you like this room tour, don't forget to hit that thumbs up on your way out. If you are interested in more travel videos or vlogs from me, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.